This is our fast review of the Innokin EQS, the successor of the Innokin EQ. This device has a small form factor and is comfortable to use in the hand. The 800 mAh battery is enough to last from morning to late afternoon for most users and is rechargeable through micro USB, although this charging could be done a bit faster as it charges only at 0.5 amps. It has 3 different power levels, which are 11.5, 13.5 and 15.5 watts, indicated by the color of the LEDs when activated. These colors are green, blue and purple from lowest to highest. The mouthpiece may not be appealing to some people who seek a closer feel to a cigarette, but it's still comfortable to use. From the ones we know, this pod is the easiest to fill and it lasts a good amount of time before it starts tasting bad compared to some other devices of the same category. The button is a bit protruding, which makes it easy to find on the front of the device, and it has a nice click to it. The vapor production is great for a device like this. The draw is more MTL orientated, not too tight and not too open, sitting in the middle of the range, and it has a good throat tip. The pod cap can be placed on the bottom of the device, making it harder to lose, which is a good thing, but also makes it easier to break if you press it in too hard. And unfortunately, it only comes with the device and not with the replacement pods, so you will have to buy the cap separately or you're stuck with not having the cap at all. One other negative aspect is that it only comes with one pod, so if you're considering buying this product, make sure to buy replacement pods as well, so that you don't get stranded waiting for new pods to continue using the device. The new Plex 3D coils are great, but they miss something that has been proven very useful to me and some other users, which is the fact that it does not come with a bottom protective cap as the old Plexus coils did on the previous EQ. This cap was useful if you wanted to carry a different pod with you filled with e-liquid and not having to worry about it leaking into your pocket. The finish and overall build quality is great as it lasts a lot longer than the paint on the previous model, and it's much more resistant to normal wear and tear. It's available in 6 different colors: black, grey, purple, white, sky blue and coral pink. The pros: a discreet device. It has 3 different power settings, good throat hit, easy to fill, easy to use, great finish, has a mouthpiece cap, backwards compatible with the Plexus coils, has a good battery life, and the button is easy to find and clicky. About the cons. Caps do not come included with the replacement pods. It only comes with one pod, and the charging time could also be improved. It's overall a satisfying pod device to use with a good performance. If you liked this video and want to see more content created by us in this or other formats, please hit the subscribe button below, activate the notifications and give us a thumbs up. If you already use or tried this device, give us your opinions and thoughts on the comment section below. If you smoke, get into vape and know what you're vaping on.